Well, good morning. Getting a late start, 6:40. It rained overnight. I think the rain is just about to stop right now. It is Tuesday the 23rd of August. Well, the yellow birds are called. Come on, buddy. I hear the feller bunchers going again. Yeah, it looks like the grass is going to need to get cut soon. Amazing, no rain for 5-6 weeks. And no cutting the grass. And we get 2 inches of rain in a week. And now, a week later, going to have to cut the grass. I don't know what ate those must be something with a caterpillar or something, I don't know. After looking at yesterday's video, I don't think I pointed the camera here, but there's a lot of dead branches on here. That's strange. Well, I should have ripped that tree out a long time ago. Yeah, it's still raining. Well, today being Tuesday, Rita's going down to the club for snowing. She's going to take Tom's wife. We're staying with her. Coming over on the side-by-side to Tom's yesterday, just to see how he's doing. See if you want to take a ride on the ATVs, but I wasn't aware it was going to rain overnight. So we'll have to see whether it dries up enough to get the ATVs out today. Oh, I don't think I did much else yesterday. I did do a walkabout, looking at birds. I did make my 6,000 paces. I think it was 6,618. Kind of getting some water on it. Come on, buddy, let's go. I've been sitting there by my computer all morning, watching the rain hit the deck. And the weather.com said it was going to stop at 6:45. And I noticed that on the deck there was no drops in the puddles. That's why Flynn and I are out here. Flynn and I are out here. But clearly Flynn is getting wet. amazing how little water it takes for the road to start to get this mud. I don't know whether there was water on the lens or not. I figured just clear it off. We had a coyote on the northwest camera yesterday, around 7:30 at night. It was still light out, so it's a pretty good picture of a coyote. Although these stealth cam cellular cameras take lousy pictures. I have them up at 26 megapixels, but they're, I don't know whether the lens is bad or what, but there's three of them. They all take equally bad pictures. Now it appears to be raining. What? Well, I've had enough rain that the water is trickling down the side of the road here. Yeah, so it rained harder. We're down to Ralph's driveway, trying to go back. All right, buddy? See if there's any apples left over here. Good. Well, this morning's traffic report's brought to you by State Farm. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Bundle your home and auto insurance, save money. Yeah, I do have State Farm. I had, what did I have? I had some other insurance, popular name. And the second year I was with them, they tried jacking up the premium by 11%. And contacted the guy, and he said, well, we raise rates occasionally just in case we have to raise them at some point because you have a claim or something, so we just raise it slightly so there wouldn't be an increase, a big increase. So I said, thanks very much, cancel my policy. And then I moved to State Farm.